Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer product sizing rules to Shopify using Size Chart app. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Size Chart and press enter. Review the search results for the Size Chart app. Select the Size Chart app that meets your requirements. Click the Add App button to install it. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the app. Once installed, navigate back to your Shopify admin dashboard. Look for the Size Chart app in your list of installed apps and click to open it. Upon entering the app, you'll see various options for creating your size charts. Start by selecting Create New Size Chart. Provide a name for your size chart that reflects the products it will apply to. Next, choose the type of products you want the size chart to associate with. Enter the sizing rules and measurements relevant to your products. Make sure to include sizes in both inches and centimeters if applicable. Use a clear and easy-to-read format for the sizing information. You may also want to upload an image of the sizing chart for visual reference. After entering the data, review the size chart for accuracy. Once satisfied, click Save to store your size chart. Now, return to your Shopify product page. Select a product to which you wish to apply the size chart. Scroll down to the product description section. Look for the option to insert the size chart. Select the size chart you just created from the drop-down menu. Save the changes to your product. To preview the size chart, visit your online store. Check that the size chart displays correctly alongside your product information. Make any necessary adjustments in the app if there are any issues. Continue this process for each product that requires a size chart. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.